Hello, welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. So I have another box that I want to pack up for Happy Mail, and I wanted to show you how I'm gonna pack it up. So first of all, I'm using that Dollar Tree what is it called? Dollar Tree tissue paper. And I'm gonna put that with another one on it. Good. Because yesterday I didn't put it very nicely. So, as you can see. And I'm going to put this Dollar Tree Standard Grip adhesive mat in the bottom. Should put a little bit of shred. Let me put some little bit of shred first. Let me put on some white. So I got this from Tuesday morning. It's a big bag, that's why I can't put it all in there. Put some white in there. Okay. Now I could put this underneath. So I have that. I'm going to put this big thing that I made, this envelope pack, and I did put the Five Below stickers in here already. A nice little pen there. Then I'm gonna put the basket, which I put the ladybugs in there and the flowers from Hobby Lobby and the pin in the bucket. Hopefully it won't get crushed. Then I'm going to put the 3x3 photo album, the little butterfly, right there. Make sure that her little antennae don't bend. Then I'm just gonna throw this from Hobby Lobby underneath that, since there's a little space. Then I put these bag toppers in a vellum or a what is that called? That type of bag. You know what it's called? Tool bag in there. Let me make sure what else. And put these in these little things that I showed you that I made. I put them in my sticker bag, my Pipstick stickers. So I put it in that. I'm reusing it, and I just cut a piece of white cardstock in the back, and I put them with adhesive to stay together the way it is, but she could pop them out and use them. So those are the ones I'm putting in here also. Then I have this little poppy flowers that I'm also gonna add. And so I'm going to add some more of this in there. Shred. Oops, too much. Some white shred. Then I'm going to add one more of the tissue paper. And I'm going to put my card on top. And that is it for the two. This will be the second one, the second box. So I do still have to go to the post office and pick up two more. So I hope you enjoyed my boxing up my Happy Mail. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on future videos like this. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.